Okay, here is the how-to video on using the fire starter. So I put 2 pieces of dry wood at the bottom of the pit, taking a handful of the fire starter, that is my handful, making sure it is touching the wood. Then I am going to take some more wood and crib it up. Now this is dry wood, its moisture level is 20 or below. We do recommend that you start the fire with dry wood. Once you get it going and have hot coals and a good fire, you may be able to add a little bit more wet wood to it. But we do recommend that you use dry wood to get it started, because we cannot guarantee that the starter will light soaking wet wood. So here I am, I'm cribbing it all the way up, how I would like it. I have matches that I'm using to start the fire. So here I am using a match to start the fire. You can use lighter if you want to, but we just find that it's really easy to use a match. And within a few seconds, you can see it is starting to light up, and it'll spread to the other dry wood and start to get going. Again, we recommend starting your fire with dry wood. Once you have a hot fire going and a lot of good hot coals, you can add other wood that has some moisture to it, but to get it started, you should use dry wood. If your wood is wet that you're trying to start the fire with, we can't guarantee that it'll kick off as easy. But here is the fire after a few seconds, getting going. And there you go, you can enjoy a wonderful fire. Really appreciate you watching this video. If you've purchased some locally, thank you so much. We are hoping to have our website up soon where we can offer shipping on the product as well. We'll keep you posted on when that is up and functioning. But again, thank you so much for your support. Thanks for watching. And we'll see you on another day in the life of the Grimoire. It's coming soon.